Hey guys, all right. So sometimes Genesis stops working or Sports Devil, or sometimes the program just crashes every year, 6 months to a year or something. I'm going to show you how to wipe Kodi back to default and then update. So what you want to do is you'll get your home screen, and on the far right it'll say Settings on the top tab, top right. You'll click Settings. Then you'll go all the way to the right again where it says More, and on the bottom it says More Settings. Mine's set up differently. I can't show you that part. So it says settings. You scroll all the way to the right. On the bottom it says more settings, and you'll get this. You'll get this option here. And what you want to do is you want to go down to apps. You want to go down to Kodi, or yours may say TVMC with the little silver TV, or it may say XBMC depending on which version was installed on your box. You'll press OK here. You'll want to go over to Clear Data. Once you press Clear Data, you just press OK. It's going to repeat computing size. Then you'll want to hit the little E on your button to take you home. My home screen is going to look different than yours, but then you'll on the bottom you'll have those tabs. You find your K or your TV or your XBMC, and you press OK, and then it's going to say preparing for first run, and it's going to run a bar all the way here. Like I said, yours may say 14.2, 15.1, 13.2. As long as you're 13.2 and up, this is not going to matter. We'll go ahead and let it prepare for the first run. And then you'll get this screen. This is what you want the screen to look like. And then you'll go over to the right, and it'll say System. You're going to press down, go to File Manager right there, press OK. On Root A over here, you're going to want to put Add Source, press OK. It's going to bring you to this. It's going to highlight this box that says None right here. Press OK, and it'll bring up this virtual keyboard. Now, I'm going to type something in right now. It may say this too, because there's 15.2 out, but it's okay if you don't have it. Just press OK. So I'm going to type it in, I'm going to pause it, and then I'll give you a minute to check it out. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but it says http colon / Spartan pixel.net / repo. So I'll leave it on there for a second. I guess I could zoom in just so you can see. Sorry about the camera. So http colon / Spartanpixel.net / repo. And it has to be typed exactly like that or it won't work. Let me zoom in, I guess, keep it zoomed in for you. So then we press done. Then we go down here and it says repo, that's fine. And then we go to OK. We press OK. And then we just use the little clicker right here, back out one. You stay on system right there. Press OK. Go to add-ons. Press OK. It'll give you this thing, just press OK. Install from zip file. OK. And you find the word repo that we just typed in. It says repo with the little red book to the left. It's hard drive, but it looks like a book. So then what you'll want to do is you'll want to hit wizard build right here. It says wizard build.zip. Now it's going to do this. And you're going to want to wait a second. And you'll see something down here. It'll come up. And it'll show like a picture of Bane and half a shield of Spartan or something. You just want to wait. It takes 10 to 25 seconds. Okay, well, it didn't come up yet, but oh, there it goes. There it goes right there. So it says Spartan Wizard add-on enabled. Okay, so then what you want to do is you just want to back out of here one with the little back out, get back to this main screen right here where it says all this stuff. You'll go to programs. You'll go to program add-ons. Let me get that back into focus. program add-ons. Then you find Spartan Wizard. And now it's going to give you these options right here. Retromania Droid is just a bunch of video games. I'm going to stay away from that for right now. That could be another video. You need to go to the one that says Encore 2. Okay? So we'll click OK. And then this is going to say downloading selected build 1%. It's going to go to 100%. And then it's going to go to another 100%. So when this is almost done, I'll unpause it and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so it's about 96%. Now this is the very first part of it, and you'll see there's another section. Depending on your internet speed, it takes anywhere between 5 and 15 minutes, just depending, because it is a big file you're downloading. So if it seems like it's going slow, it just, don't worry about it. It's just based on your internet speeds. So it'll say this downloading, it'll hit 100%, and then it'll say extracting. Zip, please wait. This one goes faster. This one gets done within 3 minutes because it's just extracting the file. So I'm going to pause it until it gets to 90%. Okay, so it's getting to the end of this. As soon as it hits 100%, it's going to say, yay, something or another on a dialog box. And I'll show you. It'll ask you to unplug your box from the power. You don't have to. Let it finish. Zoom out a little for you. Okay, so you can read that if you want, but you press OK here. And then when you get to the next screen, it says, you're about to close. Kodi, would you like to continue? You go to yes, close. It's going to do this thing, and you'll probably get an error on the bottom right side of the screen, and it'll make a noise like boom. But you want that to happen. If it doesn't, it's okay. To make sure that the changes did happen, like I said, your home screen's going to be different, so go to settings on the top right, and then go to the far right box again, and then on the bottom you'll have something that says more settings, and then you want to go to apps again, press OK, and you'll go to Kodi, and you just want to make sure that the force stop box right there is gray, that you can't select it. Once you see that, if you can select the box, if it lets you go over there and press OK to force stop it. It'll say these apps may misbehave, yada yada. Just press yes or OK. Then go back to your home screen. Go to the K or TV or the XBMC that you have. And this will pop up like this. It'll say the Beast. I have a picture of Bane. And then you'll get this screen, okay? Now, don't try to watch something right away. Let it load up and I'll show you what I mean, because I want to show you how to get my live TV selection, because there is live TV here. And there's a lot of stuff for you guys to watch. Dexter TV is a good one if you're willing to sign in with an email. A lot of good stuff. I use Gorilla Stream 2.0, and I'll show you how to get that on the bottom there for your live TV section. It's just as soon as you hit System, and then you'll want to go to Appearance. You'll want to go to the right. You're right here on Skin. Go to the right. Go to Settings. And now, see, stuff is going to start to update. As soon as you see something starting to update, just wait a second. You'll actually have to wait like a minute and a half. It's going to update a ton of stuff on there. And you don't want to be navigating through there because it may freeze. And if it freezes, it's fine. Just, I'll show you. What you'll have to do, if it freezes, you'll have to get that out of there. When you get that option, there'll be a big box that comes up. It's talking about Unity Talk. Just press the right clicker. Okay, because it's just asking if you want to learn more about that. Press no. You don't need to put your email in there, and then that'll disappear. Okay, but there's going to be a ton of updates. It's going to ask you this again, version check, if you're using 14.2 or 13.2, and just press OK. It doesn't matter. You're just going to let all those things update. There's some a ton of updates. There's a ton of things you guys can watch, but I just have to let it go for a minute or two. I'm gonna pause it. Okay, so some of those updates will fail, and that's okay. I'm gonna back out to take you step by step again. So you'll come over here to System, Appearance, okay. Then on Skin right here, you're automatically there. Just go to the right and go down to Setting, okay. And you're gonna want to go to Submenu. Then when you're on Submenu, just go to the right like that. And you're gonna want to find the ones like you see right here. It says Movies. It's white. The other words are yellow. I know it's probably hard to see on my TV, but you're just gonna want to go down until you see Live TV. It's a little ways down apparently, or ways down. Okay, so Live TV right there. So you're gonna want to pick out of these. You're gonna want to pick BBC iPlayer. Press the one's highlighted. Press OK. And it's gonna bring you this menu. Press up and go to where it says Add-on. Press OK. It's gonna freeze for a second. It's gonna bring up another list. Then if you just hold Shift and push G, it'll bring you down to the G's and go to. Oh, boy. Okay, it's not in there. Well, that's a bummer. You know what? I'll make a separate video because how to add that TV add-on. But for now, this will get all your other issues working. I'm real sorry about that, guys. I thought it was in there. Movies, TV shows. Now, say, okay, I don't know if you guys can see the streaming bar right here. It's just it's just a disclaimer about all the streams buffering and stuff, depending on the add-ons. But there'll be a date on there saying the latest add-on. So let's check out the date. Obviously, once you do this, you'll have the newest up to date. But yeah, and it shows you how to update right there. So what you want to do is you'll go over to Crispy Wizard right here. And then you go to right there, install update here. See it on the left. So you don't have to do it every week or something. I mean, you can do it once a week because there usually is a little update here or there. But if you don't want to, there's, like I said, there's no need until you can't get something working. But once you update it, it'll do the downloading thing again. I'll show you real quick. It'll do this, and you'll have to wait the 100%, and then you'll have to force close, or you can if it's easier, just unplug your box from the wall and wait 5 seconds, plug it back in. It's the same as force closing it. If that's easier, then you go into your settings, the more settings, yada yada. It's up to you, but that's how you update. So Crispy Wizard, install update here. Like I said, sorry about the live TV. These do work. I deleted that one. Dexter TV is a good one. You do have to log in with an email, and it explains how to do that. Let's see. We'll try it right now. I can't show the content because YouTube, YouTube they're real strict, especially now about stuff like that. So, but this one actually seems like it's logged in on a default email. So this one works really well. A&E HD. I'll try real quick and see if I can get this snuck on YouTube. Yeah, so you see live TV does work, okay? So use Dexter TV for now because Dexter works really well. Live TV, Dexter TV. It's a little confusing, but go to live TV right here. There's news. I don't know how the news works on Dexter, but it seems like they have ABC, C-SPAN. Let's see what else they got. Weather Channel, Fox News. So they got some stuff on there. Guys, explore and check it out. All right. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, I know it's a long video. Just let me know, and yeah, enjoy. All right. Thanks, guys.